Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about lug nut or spring nut. Left side you can see the component, and I am going to create a small forming tool for this component. So this is the component I am going to create. And this is the forming tool. So let's start now. I've taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the front plane, go to sketch. So So we have to draw one sketch, and this is 22.7, this is 4.6, this angle is 80, this is 2 mm, this is 110, and this is 4. So the sketch is fully constrained now. Select the sheet metal tab, go to base flange. See, this is 15 mm. Select the mid plane. And thickness is 0.4, and bend radius is equivalent to thickness, and K factor have taken 0.45. we should be less than 0.5. See here. Now select the unfold command, select this face, collect all bends, and say OK. Select this face, go to sketch, draw one horizontal line. So this is 3 mm. Select these two lines and make it equal. And the angle between these two lines is 145. See, for identifying the closed loop, we can click this shaded sketch contour. See here, generally we don't use it, but if you click this option, so it is shaded. That means the loop is completely closed, and it creates the cut without any error. So that is the advantage of this option. Draw one center line, go to mirror entities, select all these lines, select mirror about this center line, and say OK. Go to sheet metal tab, select extruded cut, Here we have to link to thickness and normal to cut and say OK. Now select this face and select simple hole. Sheet metal we have to use simple hole feature. This is very much useful in the drawing. See, this is 8 mm and say OK. And distance between this edge and the center of this hole is 12 mm. Select this point and this, make it horizontal and say OK. Now fold this component, select all bends and say OK. See here. Now I am going to create the forming tool to place it on this component. So I am taking a new file, select top plane, go to sketch, draw one center rectangle and this is 10 mm. Select these two lines and make it equal. Go to features, select extrude boss. Here we can take any value. I am taking 2 mm and say OK. Select this face, go to sketch, draw one circle. And this is 5 mm. See here, this is 5 mm. We can take any value. I am taking 3 mm and say OK. And select fillet command and fillet is 0.5 and say OK. See, this fillet should be always more than the more or equivalent to this sheet thickness. So here it is 0.4. We have to provide more value, otherwise it shows an error. So that is very much important. Select this face, go to sketch, select convert entities. See, the rectangle is formed. Go to features, select extruded cut, select through all. So now we have to apply the forming tool command. Select this face. This is the stopping face, and faces to remove we have to select this one, and rest of this yellow portion is forming face. So once it is done, we have to save this file with either of the extension, that is form tool, that is SLDPRT, or simply SolidWorks extension, that is SLDPRT. So two extensions we can use, and we can save this file in this forming tool folder. So I am going to open here. So we have to save this file, or we can customize and we can save in the customized folder. So after saving this, we have to close this forming tool file. Now we have to go to design library, see I have already saved this file, so I am going to place it on this component. So we have to select the top face, Then for positioning, what we have to do is keep it in wireframe and select this edge and convert entity, and we can make it as construction line. So this is for reference to place it exactly at the center of this hole. See, it is placed exactly. So after placing this, we have to flip the tool. See here, we need this one in opposite direction. See here, this direction is important. So flip, see, I am going to once again flip this, it is in opposite direction. So say OK. Now I am keeping in shaded form. So this is the feature, extrusion feature. Now I am going to apply fillet. So we have to select break corner or trim corner. This command we have to use in sheet metal. So for fillet we have to select this option, and fillet radius is 2 mm. And say OK. And I am going to apply chamfer of 2 mm at this location to remove the sharp edges. See here. So this is the final component, and I am going to show you the flat pattern. So this is how it looks like. So this is a brief about lug nut or spring nut in SolidWorks sheet metal module. Thanks for watching. For more videos on SolidWorks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.